Hey guys, in this one, I want to show you how to change your YouTube profile picture. This is for iPhone and Android smartphones. So let's get the YouTube app opened up and you should come through to your main page as usual. So you can see my profile picture or my icon is in the top right hand corner and we can go and change that right now. So I'm going to press on my icon and this is basically your settings page. You can go through and hit manage your Google account right underneath your name. So I'm going to click that. It's going to take me through to my Google account. Then what you can do is literally just press your icon that you have already. So if you just press the image, it's going to come up with this box that says profile picture. And this is the one that you're using now. I'm going to click set profile picture. Then it's going to take me through to some options. Do I want to take a brand new photo with my phone right now? Or do I want to choose from photos that I have on my phone already? I'm going to click choose photos. It's going to take me through to my photo library. I can choose these bananas, for example, and that will be my icon. You can actually pinch and zoom so you can change what is in the actual icon. The icon is that square that you can see on the outside right now. So you can zoom it and pinch and zoom and make sure that you have the icon exactly as you want. You can then go to press choose and that will be your icon. So I'm going to choose that. And now for this account, my icon is a bunch of bananas. If you have other accounts that you use with Google, you can also change them right here as well. So I have a couple of accounts. You can press your email with the arrow right there. So if I press that, I can then change to some different emails and accounts that I'm using right now on my phone. So I have the first one, but also the second one. So you can just click on that second one, change the profile picture exactly like you have done already. That is how you change your profile picture on YouTube. Super easy. And if the video was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.